Hi, my name is Indianna Hunt. I'm a proud Wemba, Gunditjmara, Jardwadjali, Wergaia woman. I'm an alumni of the Diploma of Visual Arts at RMIT, and I am the artist for this project.
I came from Al Medina city in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
I come from Narendra on Wiradjuri country.
I come from the city of Harbin in Heilongjiang province, China.
The Journey of Mapiyal is a Wemba story passed down through generations that is interwoven as part of a larger story which travels through different nations. I am Mapiyal, the platypus. My country is Wemba. My job is to teach us the lesson to be proud of our differences and respect one another, finding where we belong in ourselves.